Okay, we have to shoot a video of this because someone has discovered that they love air conditioning. So we are just very happy, aren't we? Are we happy we're on the bed? Are we happy? Are we comfy? Are we happy? Huh? We're gonna shim that air conditioner some more. Making way too much noise. So much noise we can't hear him purring. I can feel it though.
You scratched away, Mama.
He loves the air conditioning. It's so funny. He's like, ah. You know, it's cooler out tonight anyway, but still.
No, but his fur is still warm.
He's under the car most of the day today. In my mom's car he was for most of the day. Very happy.